Sanibonani, igama lami nguZandi Sibongo Mfeka, ngilo sisi-ke ohosta i-podcast ebizwa ngokuthi Meaningful Conversations with uZandi Mfeka. Le show itholakala laphaya ku-YouTube. You can just go there and see us, Meaningful Conversations with uZandi Mfeka. Angizange-ke namaningi-ke osukwini namhlanje, ngize nje nokuthi nje ngizifuna nje ukukhuluma nomfundi owenza umatikuletsheni. Mntanami, dadewethu, siswami, bhuti wami, it's not the end of the world. Umatric is not the hardest thing, as a lot of people behleze besabisa abantu. Angazi ukuthi uba not umatric ubukhuni, kodwa nje umatric uthathe njengawo wonke amaklasi nje osoke wadlula kona waphasa with ease. You have been cross-nighting throughout the year. You have been studying on weekends throughout the year. Manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthi uthatha yonke leya nto leyaya obokade uyifunda, ubuye uzoyi-aplya ngendlela wena oyiqonda ngayo. Ngizokunika nje ama-tips amathathu abalulekile ekufanele uwenze before and nangalolu suku obhala ngalo. Before uzoya kubhala, isikhathi soku-cross-night asiphelile. You've been doing that throughout the year. Idla ngoba kubalulekile, uyawadinga amandla. Lala ngoba ukulala kubalekile, uyakudinga ukuphumula, awufuni ukuba ne-blackout uma ufika ephepheni le-exam. On the day of the exam, nayi invigilator iyafika nephepha iyalibeka phambi kwakho. What do you do? Yenza lokho okukholelwa yikona for 30 seconds. If umzalwane, khuleka nje just for 30 seconds uthi Nkosi ngikhumbule kuleli phepha phela, and then busu uyaqala uyalifunda iphepha lakho lonke before uqale ukubhala. Mawuqeda ukulifunda uyaphinda futhi uyalifunda bese uthika wonke ama-questions ocabanga ukuthi une-sure ukuthi uyazazi izimpendulo zakhona. Mawuqeda lapho, qala ngalama-questions or ngalama-sections owaziyo ukuthi iy'mpendulo zakhona uyazazi zonke. Wenzelani na? Wenzela ukuthi uma kuphela isikhathi usabhala, wena wonke ama-questions owaziyo nobowaqonda noney'mpendulo zawo usuwabhalile wawa-ansarisha wonke, ngoba awufuni ukuzithola sokuthi kuphela isikhathi u-question 3 ngingakobhali kanti mina bengikwazi. You are more than allowed ukuqala nge-question oyaziyo. The examiners know this, the markers knows this. As long as you make a responsibility ukuthi uyalepelisha phezulu, this is section B, question 3. This is section A, question 6. Make it clear in your labels as you are writing, because you don't want to frustrate the markers ba-assume ukuthi wena ubuphendula yiphi question, ngoba lokho uzokutholisa u-0. Okukhulu-ke kunako konke ukuthi umhlaba ukulindele. Let the world be your oyster, because this is the start of a life for you. Impilo iqala manje. Nginifisela konke okuhle ngokukhethekile nje Nkosi yami. Ngicela ukufisela umfana wami Nkosi yami uZanele Mathenjwe ukuthi abhale kahle ubaba. We are waiting for the big, bold and beautiful things that are going to come out of this 12th year yokuhlala edeskini ugqolozelene nombombo kaTisha, ngoba akukho lula, abanye bayabaleka. So with me, I just want to say that bonke ababhalayo sicela babhale kahle. Move away from stress, ungabuva nzima emgwaqweni, rest enough, drink enough water. If umuntu ojimayo othanda ukuya ejimini, exercise enough, not too much. Wena uzoba sharp, angithi. All the best.